Hi guys, my name is Barnes, and we learned the last time how to do a backside kick turn, so next step is to learn the frontside kick turn. Basically, kick turn is when you go up the ramp and turn 180. This time you're going to turn to your heel side. When you go up to the ramp, start to turn your shoulders and gently lift up your front wheels when you reach the highest point in the ramp. If you turn your shoulders all the way, your body will follow. And you keep your head turning as well in the same time. Look where you're going, and then you just put down your front wheels and ride away. Don't put too much weight on your back foot, otherwise you will do a manual down the transition, and that can be surprising. So when you practice enough in the smaller ramps, take it to a bigger ramp and do exactly the same what you practiced. Turn your shoulders, lift up your front truck, and look where you're going. So basically that's about it. You learn how to do a frontside kick turn. Go skate and have fun.